wakes us gently, says hello. Time to rise and learn and grow. Birds are singing in the trees, dancing gently with the breeze. Flowers bloom in colors fair, sweet sunshine everywhere. Little children laugh and play, happy hearts so bright and gay. Books are open, dreams take flight, learning makes our future bright. Rain goes pitter-patter sound, tiny drops jump all around. Paper boats we sail with cheer, rainy fun is always near. Mom says be kind every day, Dad says work in a good way. Keep your heart so clean and true, let love shine in all you do. We are small but strong and smart, big, big dreams inside our heart. Try our best and never fear, shining stars of tomorrow here.